Tommy's birthday was perfect until something unbelievable happened.
Wait, where are my presents? Tommy, look! Someone left a trail.
Who took all the birthday gifts?
A stray thief? The case of the missing birthday bounty.
Today is Tommy's birthday.
Happy birthday to me! Good morning!
Let's buy Tommy's surprise gifts.
Tommy will be so surprised. Happy birthday, Tommy! I'll hide these right under here.
It looks absolutely perfect.
Shh.
Wow! This is amazing! Wow, look at all these presents!
Cake first.
I get to make a wish. Tommy, you have chocolate all over your face. This is the best chocolate cake ever. Yay! This is the best birthday ever. Let's play games. Let's play games. My presents are gone.
It's still locked.
Who took my gifts? Look, a ribbon trail.
Stay close, everyone.
Where does it go, Dad?
Let's find out. So that's where all the presents went. Buster moved every gift here.
Silly puppy.
It became the funniest birthday mystery Tommy and Lily would ever remember.
The end.